Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix mobile data is not working in Realme 14T. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, here you can see the option airplane mode. Now here you can turn on or off your airplane mode 2 to 3 times. After turn on or off your airplane mode, then check your network connection works properly or not. After check your network connection, then go back and scroll down and click on system and update. Now click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone, and on top you can see the option reset network settings. Now click on it, and here enter your password to reset your network settings. After reset the network settings, then go back and click on erase all data. Now enter your password to erase all your data. Erase all your data basically means factory data reset. It will remove all the data in your device like photos, videos, document, apps, everything will be removed in your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.